you're anything like me, you'd think that social media is wonderful. It can also be invaluable to get what you want. The most important thing to remember when it comes to using these platforms is that you must learn to see them individually. Each platform is unique in what it offers for networking and how it interacts with an audience. There are a few do's and don'ts to keep in mind when you look to craft your presence on each of them accordingly. I've seen people make common, highly avoidable mistakes on social media that can often have an adverse effect on their personal brand. For example, while it may be all right to post a picture of yourself holidaying in sunglasses when it comes to your Instagram or Facebook, your LinkedIn profile picture must be one where your eyes are visible, you're facing the camera directly, and you're standing solo. Moving on, if you exchange visiting cards and connect with someone, try not to suddenly follow them on everything at once. What you should do is send them a brief note on their email or attach one to your LinkedIn request to connect. Practice leveraging the USP of each platform to your advantage. Instagram, for example, is a very visual medium. Here, a picture does speak 1,000 words, as do the 480 characters on Twitter. A good way to understand and practice using these platforms to build your networks is to take one piece of news or bite of information that you want to share and post it on all of them differently. Play with the different features on each platform. And with practice, you'll be more than ready to take on the social media universe.